Hi guys, in this video, we will add watermark to our images to our blog. Why we add watermark? I have an experience before some bad guys copying my content together with the image without watermark, but at this time we will add a watermark as a copyright image to our blog. So let's do that. We will use this tool, lunapic.com. You can add watermark in Photoshop too if you know how to use Photoshop. I find this tool via Googling. If you find other tool, go ahead. But in this case, I use this tool. So we add now. So draw, watermark tool, upload your image first. After uploading, enter your copyright text. Size 30 I think is fine, and add watermark. So as you see in the image, there have a watermark now. You can adjust the transparency, you can change the position. So in this case, this is fine. So save as, save it again, and we will upload that in our post. Travel to Malaysia. Let's try to paste this, upload. And update, and let's see the blog what's look like. So as you see in the image, there have a watermark now. So that's all for this video guys. So thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.